Hello guys, Deathman here. Today I'm bringing you a Minecraft video on how to create your automatic furnace. But this is a automatic reloading food thing, so like it cooks the food for you, but the only thing you mainly have to do is put fuel in it, so I recommend lava buckets since they last for ages, and you'll get your bucket back. So today, um, yeah, so I'll show you how to build it after. So first you put your lava bucket in, or coal, depends what you want to use, but coal goes faster. You put anything you want in the chest, you can put that in there, it doesn't matter what you put in there, and then it starts smelting it, and then it'll put it in your, sorry, just do that. It'll put it in your chest for you. Then as put in the beef, then next is the raw pork chop. This is very helpful, especially if you want to get rid of all your food, like if you want to cook it all. There. And it cooks it all for you and puts it all in the chest. So now getting to it, I'm just going to switch to creative mode so you guys can see how I built it and just ignore all the other things. Okay, so it's a basic little house, but I'm not going to show you how to build the outsides of the house because it's pretty basic. You do your own design and here. So I'm just going to switch to creative mode. Okay, so what you're going to need is you're going to need stone, redstone corroborator, a hopper, chest, lava bucket, sorry, that's what the fueling. You're going to need, yeah, a little bit of stone. I think that's it. No, furnace. Yeah, you're going to need furnace and dropper. Okay, so first of all, what you want to do, you want to get off the ground a bit here. Oh, never mind, I didn't go off the ground at all. So what you want to do is put it in the corner. Replace the person in the chest, that's right. Yeah. Sorry guys. There's a bit of confusion here. And then you want to place the chest there. Then make it that way so it's easier. Then you want to place your thingies. I think it's this way. Let's see. Now I put something in the proper. Yep. Now what we want to do is you want to put two across here. Yeah, you just want to cover this. And you're going to need that block. Place the hopper up here so it's not touching any reflex, so it goes straight to the dropper. Then you want to place a furnace right there. And then you want to place one copper there. Oops. Then you place your chest. Sorry to that, but guys, before they just came in. So you just put that in. Apparently it's very annoying when it comes to YouTube videos. And then you just want to cover this up. Dad's probably going to come in now. Tells me coming all the time. Yep, so that's doing them. So just want to cover this up so you don't have to, but it looks neater. I'm going to post my server one after this. So just cover that up. This is a little weird, but I don't really care. You can design it. Up to you. I'm just going to do a little house, smaller than that one. So you're actually going to have to use ladders to get up instead of nice little stairs. And my mouse makes a bit of squeaky noises, so probably can be anything else. Okay, so you put the food in there. Yeah, so, like I said, you have to self-reload it. So this is the house part. Okay, so this is building piece. Okay, so you cover that area. Okay, just you want to face the chest the way so you can't see the But yeah, this is just a little basic design. It's not exactly the same as that one. Not that one, but just a simple little one. Cool. Okay, so getting into the windows in now. This is a fairly simple design. It's a lot of it. Oh. Sorry guys if this is taking a little long, that's all you have to do, but if you want to watch me finish this house, you're more than welcome to. There's nothing stopping you, apart from your parents or your third person or stuff like that. But that's none of my business, so if you're leaving now, I hope you liked, enjoy, like and subscribe, leave any comments for what I should do next, and yeah, have a good day. For those who are still watching, I'm just getting some glowstone. It doesn't really matter what you use, but glowstone is pretty good looking for it. I'll just use glowstone. Down. This one's even more basic than that one. You could do a little bit. Up here, crafting tables. Something you can do creative. This is what Minecraft is, it's supposed to be creative. So yeah, you just put your lava rock in. So this one, now we've got the house done. I'm going to fill this part or loading the sequence. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to grab a lava bucket, or just make a bucket and then select the lava, and you just put the lava bucket in there, get yourself some raw food. If it's cooked, it won't work. So pretty much, it doesn't have to be for food. It can be for like ores, it'll just be ores for this one. Use food. Such as, let me see what down in this page. Let's butter, my favorite thing. So you can use butter in the chest. Because like butter's like the best thing on earth. Like, how could you not like it? And see, as you can see, it's filling up, and it just disappears instantly. You see it flash through there. Alright. It just pops in there, pops out. And then you get your water in here. Right, and it also puts a bucket in here for you. Right, as a bucket was there before. You can just get the butter. The only bad thing is you don't get XP. But it's faster, so you can like walk off. Go hunting, I don't know. Whatever the hell you want to do. But yeah, thanks guys for watching. Like, comment and subscribe. I hope you enjoyed this video. Put in the comment section for what you would like me to do next. And I've enjoyed making videos like these, so don't be afraid to ask me to do a mod tutorial or stuff like that. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Peace out. Oh, before I go, just gonna put a little pumpkin. But that's if you still want to watch. Yeah, fairly here. I got him. I'm just gonna. So yeah, hope you guys like. As you can see, I've gone away from the house. So I haven't touched anything. There's no one on here but me. See if I can press tab. Yeah, see if there's no one on here. See if I can press tab. Creeper explosion. If you guys can see, there's no one on here. So if you go /game or no mode survival, then Dominator Rage, I'm pressing tab. See if there was anyone else on here, it'd show it there. Who's and yeah, see there's the furnace 18 butter or I hope you guys liked. Please comment, subscribe, and like. So yeah, peace out. Hope you guys enjoyed.